Is this your idea of fitting your flow hood with an irregular size diffuser or grill? You cut it off from cardboard and tape it on your flow hood, like so. If you're doing this, you are simply wasting your time and eating up into your profit. We have a better way and a better system, a better product that can maximize and optimize your time. Right here in the pouch, we have two hood covers. One of them is round and one is square. The square one also doubles for rectangular shaped grills. They do up to 24-inch round or 24-inch square. Example, like you see, it is very easy to install. All you do, pull it out and then fit it. Around the duct, around your hood, and you are done, just like that. If you have one of our funnels and the cover, you can actually additionally fasten it using this Velcro that comes with the hood funnel as well as the cover. And that will make it tighter. To use it is very, very easy. You peel it just like you would a banana. One. This first opening, this is the round one, will give you 8-inch grill size, will fit 8-inch inside. The next one fits 12-inch grill size. And observe that the actual peel adheres to the cover, so it stands out of the way when you're doing your measurement. This is a square hood cover. It works exactly like a round hood cover. It peels not as easy and would lock up in place for easy use. Same like in the round dot cover. Let's assume your diffuser or grill is not exactly square. That's easy. You fold it back up a little to the size that you know it is, and then you peel it back, and just like that, you'll be able to control the shape and the size of that opening. In this particular case, I think this will be about a 12-inch by 8-inch. That covers your rectangular shape, and you can do that with each of the peels or each of the sizes that is built into this rectangular square cover, and you are covered. And you get all of them in an array of colors directly behind me, and they are all made right here in a factory in Lawrenceville, Georgia.